Number 16, we're asked to determine if the pattern is linear, quadratic, or exponential. So if we look at the three options, linear, if you remember, is a constant rate of change in the first difference. You're either adding or subtracting the same number. Quadratics, if you check the second difference, you're going to be adding or subtracting the same number. And exponentials mean you're multiplying by a common ratio throughout the entire pattern. So a couple ways you could do this. First of all, notice that the pictures are increasing in the number of boxes. So we're either adding the same number or multiplying by the same number. If it's quadratic, we would see that sum in the second difference. So you can do this a couple ways. You can write the ordered pairs that represent the picture. So for instance, in the first picture, there's 6 boxes. In the second picture, there's 10. And in the third, there's 14. So what numbers do we care about? We care about the y values. So it was 6, 10, and 14. That's increasing rather slowly, so between the options I would check for linear. So from 6 to 10 we would be adding 4 new boxes, and from 10 to 14 we'd be adding 4 new boxes. So because we're adding the same number throughout the entire pattern, that would be linear, constant rate of change. And the reason is because we added 4 boxes throughout the entire pattern. Another way you could have done this is colored in the picture. So in the first picture there were 6 boxes, and then in the second picture you're going to color in the original 6 and see how many new boxes were added. So there were 4 new boxes. And then in the next picture you're going to color in what you had previously. So the previous picture looked like this, and then again 4 new boxes were added. So you can either find that pattern of adding 4 the entire time by writing ordered pairs to represent the picture, or by coloring in the previous picture.